Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So our data is 100% correct. As we discussed yesterday, we were super bullish and Bank Nifty has almost given 12 to 1300 points positive. It was in a day today and it closed with 957 points. So our target is almost met. 52,000 for this month end we have told in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty given our target, whereas Nifty is still waiting. So let's check what's the big player planning for tomorrow. So we will follow by FII in future index. Long they were having 49% long and short 51% short. So they have increased their long and reduced their short by 55 percentage. 5% means 54% long they have and 46% short. And in option index, they were having a call buying position of 5 lakh. Now they have unwinded 32,000 contracts. So they have 4.86 lakhs of call buying, and in put they were having 5 lakh contract of put buying. Now they have unwinded 35,000 contracts, still holding 4.66 lakhs of put buying contract. This is hedging position, and there are also neutral in future index, but they are super bullish in cash market. They have purchased for 7,908 crores in the cash market. So FII turned bullish now. Client are the retailers in future index. Long they were having 51%, so they have reduced long by 4 percentage. 47% long they have, and they have increased the short by 4 percentage. So they are 53% short. Option index, they were having 6.49 lakh contracts of call writing. They have unwinded 67,000 contracts, so holding 5.81 lakhs of call writing. And in put, they were having 4.48 lakhs contracts of put writing. Today, they have increased put writing by 1.50 lakhs contract. So they have 5.98 lakhs of put writing contract. And client in cash market, they sold for 637 crores. So see, client is hedging and they are booking the profit in cash market. For operator desk in future index, they were having 56% long and 44% short in future index. Now they have increased the long, reduced the short by 2 percentage. So 58% long they have, 42% short. Option index, they were having a call buying position of 1.28 lakh contract of call buying. They have unwinded 34,000 contract of call buying. Now they have 93,000 contract in call buying. And in put, they were having 2.24 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded most of the contract, 1.84 lakhs. So still holding 40,000 of put put writing contract. So they have booked a very good profit today for operator in options, purchased for 502 crores in the cash market. So for operator booking the profit and also buying in cash market. Now let's check change in OI. Nifty for tomorrow's expiry. See, we have very good strong put writing and call writing at 23,500 and a huge call writing at 23,600. So range will be 23,500 to 23,600 for tomorrow. Bank Nifty, so the next week expiry will be the month end expiry. Call writing and put writing at 51,500 and huge call writing at 52,000. Still, Bank Nifty and Nifty both are stable only. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame. See Nifty daily it's opening gap up and trying to sustain and closing in red candle bar only. So big players are not focusing on Nifty. They are more focusing on banking stocks. They are more focusing on NBFCs and they are more concerned about financial services only. That's why we have seen a very good rally in NBFCs. Financial sectors are doing good. Still, Nifty few shares are doing good. That's why we have seen such kind of closings. Not an issue still, it's a bullish sign only. So now let's check Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. See, it has given a very good closing today and with a good volume also. And we have broke the prior day higher levels. Now we have to see what could be the next level. Do it can reach 52,000 and do it sustaining at this levels or do again it retracing at this level 51,000. So anyhow, I am bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So keeping the strict stop loss, we can go long until we don't have any bad news. The news flow will come anytime because now budget session is pending. As per the data, also it is very much stable and positive only. So don't short the market until you don't have any negative news. Meanwhile, everything seems steady and good. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.